Alright, so here's my review of the Lego City Ambulance Helicopter. It's the box, set number 60179, H5 to 12, 190 pieces. Here's the one minifigure. He's the guy that's hurt. He's a snowboarder. Which is the new face for his print. It's the back of him. It's the one paramedic. That's a new face. I've seen that face tons of times, but that's a new torso print. Here's the pilot. That face we've seen in tons of sets. That's a new print for the torso as well. Now let's look at the helicopter. So it spins like a normal helicopter. I really like that I did skis on it instead of wheels. Lands much more smooth. So that. Tail. The power back there. So let's look inside of it. So the inside is very basic. Inside of there. I fix the view. Looks like there's an oxygen tank in there. There's like a syringe there. Ambulance. I like the color of it too. It's nice yellow. Open this, here comes out like the stretcher with a gurney. Seen that in some sets before, but not too many actually. Power spin just like a normal Lego propeller does. And there's just some lights there. Some more here. Stickers. Stickers there. And some more right there. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good set. So yes, I suggest you should get it because it's a really enjoyable build. Well, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.